Nessa, what's going on? Does the baby have the hiccups?
Yep.
Is that your brother or your sister?
My sister.
You think it's a girl today?
Yeah.
Let's see if we can see it this way. Okay, get out of the light. Okay, hold on, let's see now. Keep watching Mommy's tummy. Do you see it moving? You want to feel it?
No. Okay. Fine.
Put your hand right. What did it do?
She was bobbing.
That's the hiccup.